Sibling rivalry peaks when someone blocks the entire staircase. The pink balloon thought it could float away safely, but this athletic pup had other plans entirely. Watch this golden rocket launch into the stratosphere for a heroic backyard save that is pure gold. My cat starts the day acting like a total drama queen by judging every single move I make. One head pat later and suddenly he is clingy enough to be a scarf. He says get away, then demands a kiss. Typical toxic feline behavior.
Wish.
Watching this kitty peek out then unleash pure chaos is exactly how every mood swing feels today.
Jasper, don't break the paper. Bruh, what you doing? What you doing?
Udah, makasih. Gitu aja baru disuruh micit aja. Kesel.
Behold the tiny orange chaotic whirlwind currently terrorizing my kitchen floor. This pint-sized predator has absolutely no sense of direction but possesses an infinite supply of zoom eyes and sheer audacity. One moment he is a blurry streak of ginger fur sprinting toward the laundry pile, and the next he is frozen in a state of deep existential confusion. He is basically a vibrating orange bean with a tail that functions like a frantic radio antenna. My ankles are officially no longer safe from this miniature monster. Send help or more snacks for the king of speed. The whole gang decided to log off at the exact same time. It looks like a fluffy blackout in here. I wish I could reach this level of commitment to doing absolutely nothing. Sleep tight, little fluff balls of chaos.
Gila mana? Udah tahu pelihara kucing mau duit. Masih aja dipelihara. Babu kula orang gilanya. Siapa lagi? Udah tahu mau dompet dia kering. Masih aja aku disayang-sayangnya. Tapi kayaknya lebih gila lagi kalau nggak ada aku. Sadar lo Babu, duit kau habis lo udah pelorotin. Cinta boleh Babu, bodoh jangan. Babu, minta dulu 100.
This sleepy tuxedo cat has completely given up on holding himself together. First the tail goes limp, then the legs, and finally his whole spirit just dangles off the table. Gravity is winning this round and he clearly does not care.
Hoy no me molesten que ando mi día de relajación, mis cielas, ¿eh?
Observe the void as it prepares for a high-stakes tactical strike. One moment this tiny panther is contemplating the mysteries of the universe, and the next it is launching into a chaotic blur of fur and ambition. Gravity is clearly just a suggestion when there is a mystery string involved here.
Ice cube on your cat and see what they do.
Welcome to karantina. Aduh, sampai kapan gue joget begini? Hingga udah macam slime. Bayar kagak, capek doang ini mah. Mohon maaf nih pemirsa. Kok men agak ini. Emang konsepnya disuruh seksi. Padahal kan gue konsepnya gemuk.
Sharing is caring until it involves a piece of fluffy white bread and a very determined orange cat. My hungry little tiger thinks he is a king and this snack is his royal tax. Watch him claim every single crumb.
More.
From your world into mine, the distance felt so small. Two different lives, one moment felt like destiny's call. I worked too hard to try to be there. I'll still wait, I'll still believe. 'Cause some connections don't need words, they just need hearts to feel.
Behold the masterclass in feline psychological warfare. Our ginger protagonist maintains a 1,000-yard stare while the white fluffball initiates a series of unsolicited boops and gentle slaps. It is a classic tale of one sibling trying to exist and the other choosing pure chaos. This level of adorable indifference is truly an inspiration to us.
Punya kucing hobinya tidur aja. Udah bener dia jagain pintu biar nggak ada maling. Tapi dia tidur, no, keasikan. Posisinya enak tenan lagi. Jibun.
Three ghostly white clouds plotting world domination suddenly get interrupted by one tiny cow kitten screaming for snacks and attention.
Baby? Hey. Shh, Money. Money.
A little too big for that, buddy. Hey. Hello. Hello, Blue. Can you get out of there? You good? You got it? I think it's gonna topple over.
Witness this majestic miniature tiger as it prowls across the ledge with maximum confidence and minimum altitude. Those tiny legs are doing some heavy lifting for such a fluffy tail. Short in stature but clearly the absolute ruler of this entire alleyway.
Gak sabaran sih, masalah. Nah, lagi belum masak juga. Tuh, makanlah tuh panas-panas. Bising aja kalian tuh.
Zero thoughts behind those eyes, just pure fluff.